The November 2020 SmartSimple upgrade contains several exciting enhancements. As a result, we have made platform changes to improve the user experience of your system. Let's walk through what you can expect from this upgrade. User experience enhancements. These changes affect all users. User interface changes. Videos and audio files in portals now play inline, whereas previously they had opened in a new modal window. You can still watch videos in full screen, and you can still add annotations depending on your permissions. The opacity of some buttons has changed. For example, the previous or next button will become less opaque to signify when you're at the beginning or end of the list. Optional features and enhancements. The following features are optional and must be enabled. Enhanced list view maps. The map list view has been enhanced. First, the proximity options have been placed together with the other searching, filtering, and sorting options. We made this change to make it easier for you to find records based on proximity searches as well as other criteria. Second, we have improved the interaction of the map and list to make them more intuitive. Third, you can now pick which fields to display on the map marker. You can still choose to map the address of associated people, organizations, or other records, and if you want to see a bigger map, you can still toggle the map to full screen. Hashtags. We have made it even easier to classify and find events, grants, organizations, people, and other records using hashtags. Simply navigate to the desired record and enter a hashtag into the appropriate custom field. Then press Save to complete tagging the record. Now, go to the list view with the hashtag field and search for that hashtag. Now, I can easily see all the grants that are benefiting kids. Adding classifications for records would traditionally be configured by a global administrator, but with hashtags, you can empower your users by allowing them to self-classify records without having to give those users global administrative privileges. Hashtags can be enabled on the text box multiple line or text box single line custom fields. Countdown timer. Want to automatically display a warning on a record, like a grant application, to notify applicants that the call is closing? We now have a new custom field called Display Countdown Timer to notify people of an approaching deadline. And add your custom messages to be displayed before, during, or after the countdown deadline. The during message will include a visual countdown. Portal improvements. We've made a few changes to the portals to improve your overall experience. First, we made it easy to add visually appealing call to action banners in your portals. Use the new portal section type called Banner to quickly create banners with a background image, customize text, and call to action buttons. Best of all, no HTML knowledge is required. Secondly, we made it easy to show counts on your portal shortcuts. Shortcuts to system list views with an image or icon or text style now have a toggle to show counts, so you can see how many applications are in progress without clicking on the shortcut. Lastly, you can now easily specify the instructions that display on list views that are opened via a shortcut. Notification broadcast. We have added the ability to choose the icon that will show up in your notification broadcasts, so you can visually indicate the type of message being sent. We've also added the ability to deny roles to better control who sees a notification broadcast. If you have questions, contact us at support@smartsimple.com or call us at 1-866-239-0991. More information about this upgrade can also be found on our wiki. Visit wiki.smartsimple.com.